Hey, welcome to Nova Toolbox. If you're trying to find AI tools that genuinely save time, improve quality, or help you build faster, this channel's for you. I don't just list features, I test the tools like a real user and show you the results on screen. If you're drowning in meetings and endless notes, then Granola AI might just be the game changer you didn't know you needed. Granola AI is a smart AI-powered notepad built to help busy professionals capture, organize, and understand everything from their meetings without the chaos. In simple terms, it takes your raw meeting notes and turns them into clear, polished summaries in seconds, so you can focus on doing work instead of writing about it. So what makes Granola so cool? First up, it transcribes your meetings automatically, but here's the twist. It doesn't join as a bot in the call. Instead, it listens in through your device's audio in the background, keeping your meetings natural and distraction-free while still capturing every important moment. Once the meeting ends, Granola enhances your own rough notes with AI-generated structure, highlights, action items, and key takeaways. But that's not all. Granola includes a built-in AI chat interface that can answer questions like, "What decisions did we make?" or "What are the next steps?" by digging into your meeting transcript. This means you can instantly get insights, recall details, and find information without scrolling through pages of text. It's like a searchable second brain that actually understands your work. Now let's talk pricing, and there's something for everyone. Granola has a free basic plan that gives you core features like AI meeting notes, limited history, shared folders, and AI chat for $0 per month, perfect for trying it out or light users. Then there's the business plan at about $14 per user per month, unlocking unlimited history, advanced AI models, and powerful integrations with apps like Notion, Slack, and HubSpot. For larger companies, the enterprise tier, around $35 per user per month, adds security features like single sign-on, priority support, and organization-wide controls. So if you want to spend less time writing notes and more time getting things done, give Granola AI a look.